Welcome back, sir. I am Jarvis. I am here to assist you for basic types of woodworking clamps. A clamp is one of the essential tools needed in woodworking operations. It is one of the most understated tools that you can find. As a woodworker, you must have basic types of clamps. You will need carpentry clamps for holding your workpiece while cutting, or after a glue art session. There are lots of variety when it comes to talking about types of wood clamps, but we are going to focus on basic types. C-clamp. The popular C-clamp is the standard go-to clamp for many occasions. Its simplicity and availability are unmatched. Every clamp collection starts with a few sizes of C-clamps. A C-clamp is used by means of turning the screw through the bottom of the frame until the desired state of pressure or release is reached. In the case that the clamp is being tightened, this is when the objects being secured are satisfactorily secured between the flat end of the screw and the flat end of the frame. If the clamp is being loosened, this is when a sufficient amount of force is released to allow the secured objects to be moved. F-clamp. The F-clamp, also known as bar clamp, is designed for a wide opening capacity. The F-clamp has a slider bar that allows the opening capacity to be easily adjusted to satisfy a wide range of applications. This has made the F-clamp another very popular clamp and is used when a C-clamp's opening capacity is too small. Pipe clamp. The pipe clamp is similar to the F-clamp, except instead of using a sliding bar it uses a sliding pipe. This allows for the pipe clamp to fit any opening capacity you need as long as you have the appropriately sized pipe. Quick grip clamp. Quick grip or quick action clamps are very popular today. They can be tightened using one hand by pumping the push handle. They are also similar to F-clamps in that their clamp opening capacity can be varied. Locking clamp. This type of clamp has two advantages. Firstly, you can adjust the grip, and secondly, you can engage and disengage the clamp with one hand. Spring clamp. Spring clamps are fast and very affordable. However, they deliver little clamp load and have a very limited opening capacity. This makes them ideal for holding down a tarp or preventing movement in one axis that isn't receiving any load. Miter clamp. The miter clamp, also known as corner clamp, is ideal for connecting corners together for assemblies. The all-mentioned clamp consist of 7 types of clamps, all offering different clamp activities. No single clamp can work in all situations and all materials. The C-clamp and deep throat bar clamp carry out similar activities through its deep reachability. If you are looking for a clamp due to its varying clamping capacity, then you can get the F-clamp or the quick action clamp. If you are on a low-cost object and your clamping need requires little clamp load, then you can patronize the spring clamp. It is very affordable. Whatever your need is, make sure you look for one that carries out a number of clamping activities you desire before you buy it. Whether you are out for varying clamp capacity, large clamping capacity, or whatever your need might be, there are a number of clamps to suit your needs.
Ayun mga sir ma'am, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Hopefully, may naitulong ako sa inyo. At kung kayo bago sa channel na to, maaari kayong mag-subscribe at pakiclick na rin notification bell sa baba para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga video uploads. Paano mga sir ma'am? Till next time!